If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Nintendo Switch account, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you ensure your account is properly set up and synced. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and select Test Connection to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Update your Nintendo Switch. Ensure your console is running the latest software version. Go to System Settings, then System, and select System Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Sign into your Nintendo account. Open the Nintendo eShop from the home screen. If prompted, sign in with your Nintendo account credentials. This will help link your account to the console. Step 4. Link your Nintendo account. If you haven't linked your Nintendo account to your Switch, go to System Settings, then Users, select your user profile, and choose Link Nintendo Account. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Step 5. Restart your console. After completing the above steps, restart your Nintendo Switch. This can help refresh the system and resolve any lingering sync issues. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.